Hello everybody. This is my CVS shopping trip for August 5th of 2014. I really didn't do much today. I went to CVS because I wanted to pick up the Band cooling wipes. And first off, I want to thank Couponing with Snap for bringing this to my attention, because I thought about this on Sunday when I did my shopping trip, but I just said, you know what, usually when I go in and have a lot of extra care bucks, my calculations don't come up as planned. So I didn't do it until today, because I saw her video and I was like, you know what, I'm going to go in, today and do this deal, since I'm only going to be purchasing, like a few items, and it's not going to be, like a huge, haul or whatever. Okay, so I've had I can't even think of it. I've had a rain check for a while now for these Band cooling wipes, because some time ago they were on, you buy two and then you get a $4 extra care buck. And at that time there was a $2 off one $2 off one manufacturer coupon that came in one of the Sunday's inserts a while back ago. And, it made it like a really good money maker. Okay, well, they were always out of them at that time. So I, back then when I was first, subscribed to Couponing with Snap, she had made mention about, always get a rain check on sold out items. And so that was actually my first ever rain check, of, ever getting a rain check, because I never knew, that I could do that. Okay, so I went in today. These are $3.49 in my store, and I had 2 BOGO coupons, okay, but I only used one because my rain check only was good for a quantity of 2. So I wasn't, trying to go in there and try to, persuade them to, let me use 2 coupons so I can get 4, and then I would get $8 in extra care bucks. I was happy with $4 extra care bucks. Okay, so they took off, the price, $3.49. So, I bought 2 of these. Buy one, get one half off. And then I picked up a candy bar, Kit Kat, because these are regular, they had them on sale for 99 cents, but then with the 74-cent CVS coupon from the red box, it makes these 25 cents. So, like I said, I had a $2 extra care buck, because, this Sunday I've accumulated $12 in extra care bucks. So I was like, well, if I can, hopefully, use my $2 extra care buck and just pay, some change or whatever for the transaction. So this is how it looks. You see, I purchased the candy, and then the cooling wipes, $3.49, and then they charged me $1.74, and then they took off $3.49. That's for the BOGO coupon. I used a $2 extra care buck, and then the 74-cent CVS coupon. Subtotal was 0 cents, and I paid 31 cents out of pocket, tax, of course, and 100% savings. And then I've got a $4 extra care bucks. So now I have $14 in extra care bucks. And, I could have easily, done this on Sunday, but like I said, here lately, whenever I have a large, one big transaction, and I'm using a 30% off coupon along with, because with my transaction, it seems like my full 30% is really not coming off. And, like I said, this past Sunday, and it's the same time, every time I go to this lady, it's always one particular woman that I'm cool with, but usually by the time I get through shopping around the store, that lady is taking a break or doing something, and this older lady comes up and rings me up. And it's funny how, like I said, when I gave the lady my coupons, I had the $4 off 12, and then I gave her my 30%. And I was like, well, the 30% is only going to be applied to my physician's formula, because that's the only item that's not on sale. And so she'd take she took it and she set it on like beside the register. And then so I'm steady giving her my other coupons, and she's like, well, I'll put that one in just a minute. I'll have to wait till I get everything in. So I don't know if it's the store, if it's the manager telling them that they need to accept they don't need to key in the percentage until after all the CVS coupons are in, or what it is, but it seems like by the time they do that, my full 30% that I've calculated is not the 30% that's on my receipt. So that's the reason why I didn't even fool with this until today, because I'm like, I don't want to get in there and then I have everything on the counter getting ready to pay for it, and then something goes wrong, and then I'm going to have to void out the whole transaction, because I don't have time for that. I just want to make an easy transaction, because usually when I do this, I'm getting ready for church. I usually have to, I usually get up, go buy my newspapers, and then I usually pick between Rite Aid and CVS. Whichever store is has a hot deal that day, I usually go to that one first. And then after church, I usually go to the next one. You know what I'm saying? Because, I don't have time to sit in there and try to, explain myself to a cashier. Like I say, I'm on my way to church. I don't have time for this. So, but anyway, like I said, I want to thank Couponing with Snap with that idea. And like I said, she's the one that got me on to rain check. So, that is a good deal to get your rain checks on sold out items, because sometimes whenever you run out of ECBs, you can always get something for real cheap again from a rain check, and you can jump right back into the coupon game. Alright, so thank you for watching my video, and that's all I have for right now. Bye-bye.